this video series, I am going to show you how we can conduct statistical and machine learning techniques using R in order to analyze time series data. So before we do that, first of all we have to install the R software for your computer. So for that you can go to the R project and download the latest version. So when you are downloading, I recommend you to download the latest R version if you haven't already downloaded it. So it doesn't matter if you have already downloaded and install it, and because the codes that we are using for this analysis, all the lecture series will work perfectly most of the time. So you can just accept the default installation and continue installing it. So once you finish the installation of R, you can continue installing the R Studio because it is a user-friendly environment than you working with the R console. So you can on the Google you can search the download R Studio IDE and go to their page and install the free version. So once the installation is completed, you can just finish click finish, and then go to the start and go to the R Studio IDE. So once you open the R Studio, you can see you will be coming to this window, and here this is a sample project that I am working on, calculating SVI computation which can be utilized for all the entire world. And in here you can install several packages, because when you are working with R Studio you have to install various packages based on your requirements. So I have requested to install these packages. So without using this code window or the console, you can also install packages by going to this window, go to install, and just type here which package do you want to install. So once you type something or some terms of this required package, you will get suggestions like this, and just select what you want to install and just click on the install. So if you take this install dependencies, there are certain packages that requires to install before installing your required package. So if you remove this tick, this won't correctly install this package, because if it is not install the required dependencies for that particular package. So you can just click on here and continue with the installation. So in here you can see under the console they have mentioned the required packages are installing. So in addition to that, they are also installing the dependencies. So once the installation is completed, you will see a message that the package is successfully installed. Here there are successfully unpacked and checked. So likewise you can install the new packages as well. So before you go into the rest of the lessons, you have to make sure that you completely correctly install the R Studio and R as well, and learn how to install packages into the R Studio. See you in the next